Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is we're going to Boulevard. So we are here. You can see the ping pong. Yeah, we are here. My uncle and also my neighbor. This is my neighbor. Okay, let's go.
My house is coming!
Where? Haman tamo ka to? We are going to our house. To my house. Look at that. Wow, that's my car. Soon, future. This is my house, guys. I want to show you all. This is our house. Yes, definitely this is our house. This is a private property for my father. I just want to. Do you want a tour to my house, to my new house? But it's not ready yet. And also, this is our property. You can see here. You can see the property of my family. This is the property of my family. You can see that is the property of that is my second house. Yes, you know. Also we are here in Sayansay. Hello, hey guys. Please subscribe to our channel. I am Jandy Sicolana, new vlogger. Please support us to our journey for this moment. So we are here in roadsides. Gusto ko sanang mag mag-tour sa aking bagong bahay, but it's not finished yet. So ito pa nga yung property ng father ko, yung my family, property of my family. I want to show you this kind of structure.
Hey guys,
This is the property. If you can show you. Here we are in today playing ground. You consider that is the playing ground. So we're going to back here because my mother is
come with me.
come with me. Come with me.
Umalik na naman kami kay Mother.
So, subaybayan nyo guys ang aming channel for today's video, for today's vlog. Follow mga idol. Ha? Magpanahon tayo, mag-vlog ako. Hello guys, we are here in the park.
Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning.
Good afternoon everyone. Today is my mother's birthday.
Today.
But wala kaming handa. Walking at the sidewalks, side roads. Yes, 6 po kami. Pito po kami. Opo.
House namin.
As you can see, mother is not here because my mother is still in our stay house. Because hindi kami ngayon, nakita nyo guys, hindi kami ngayon nagsasakyan kasi yung sasakyan namin is pinaayos kasi yung sasakyan namin is may function, parang may sira ganun. Bukas pa namin yung makukuha. Pagkita namin sa inyo yung mga cars namin. So as you can say, wait for so ikakat natin to guys. So okay. Hello to Dan. Hello guys, this is our cars. This is also our property. And also wait for me, mother. So, ano lang kami guys, nag tricycle kasi our car is broken. Broken hearted.
Tama siya. Tama ka mo. Tong balay ko no.
Atin yung DPP.
Hi! Namahuyog kayong aming dami.
No, hello! Kaway-kaway naman dyan sa aming vlog. Let's subscribe to our channel, Pong Pong Vlog.
Wala pa na, ano pa kasi kami
Galing po kami nag-Shopee. Pauwi na po kami sa aming house.
house my house. Ano pa na kami sinusasyahan kasi alam ko.
Uuwi na kami bukas. Kasi tapos na po ang aming bakasyon.
Oh my God!
Tapos na ang aming...
Buwan ito ng gasto kasi sa doon di pabalikon.
Pauwi na pala kami sa aming bahay.
Yes.
Meet my mother.
Dungan mga pitik up man sa.
Wait for the end guys. So, I want to introduce my mother to all of you. Just stay tuned. Okay?
Balik daw kasi sa doon. Kaya natin sa dito.
We are here at B&B. Look at that, B&B. We are here in Musliman store. As you can see, the store up here. Yeah, very nice people. If you are planning to go in Siargao, just
So friendly na
come.
makabra.
Yeah.
Bawal na
So,
magra.
stay tuned and wait for me to introduce my
Maglaw-law niya magkulo.
My mother.
Nagbawalan din na magkulo.
come back to our channel guys. And here we are in our destination. This is our stay house. As you can see. Yes. Let's go over there. Come to me. Open the door. The lock. We are here inside. So, wait for me to introduce my mother and all of you. Yeah. So, stay tuned, okay? Yeah. We are here in an entrance. So, that's my neighbors and also the house. Yes, look at that. Yeah, beautiful. Where's my mother? Is my mother here? Ipos may nisang alis. Okay ba? Bye guys. See you for video. Please stand. Bye.